Hey guys, I don't know if you could hear me with all the gear I got on, but we're in the midst of a blizzard at the moment. I have to make my way down this hill nice and easy. I wasn't expecting it to still be dark out, but there's really no direction I could turn the camera and get it to be where the snow ain't hitting the screen, so I apologize, but here's what it is. Oops, it's on the screen somewhere. There we go. So brother Jimbo sent these things called P-Dogs, and they're beyond delicious. They're bacon. That hand is frozen. They're bacon and onion in like a pierogi type shell. I mean, they're delicious. You just heat them up in the microwave for a few seconds, like 20 seconds. And I said I would give some, so they were hard to part with. Here's a tree snap up here. Actually, it's a double tree snap. So this is probably a safe place to leave it. Bubba's gonna have to come get it because I can't drive nowhere. I'm pretty sure his portal hopping skills aren't affected by the weather. And I got a bunch of other stuff. Just some snacks for the little ones and the other ones because I don't want to leave them out. So we'll put that on the other tree snap. Oh. I didn't even see this here. I was out here. Well, I guess I was up that way though. That's why I didn't see it. I didn't really come in. Just kind of scouting a little bit. It'll be fun. It'll be fun to come and check because, I mean, other than my prints, which is going to be an easy trail to figure out, in theory. Damn, these are snapped too. Look, that one, that one. You can't see it from up top the hill. It looks like the whole place is like glimmering. It's awesome. Anyway, guys, it's only like 5:30 in the morning, so. Well, that's what happens when I tried to zoom in. Something knocked. Unless, only other thing it could be is that them snacks fell off the thing again. Because it wasn't that loud, so it could have been. I mean, it's dead silent out here. This looks like, I mean, I know this sounds weird because you can't tell, but I get a vibe that this is a game trail of sorts. Like it's used. Something like kind of made me step back from stepping on it. Let's go down it a little bit. Maybe it's just because it's a clearing. The roads are really bad. Nobody should be on the roads at all either, so it's nice and quiet out here today still. As you guys can see, I don't know if you can see, but I'm all suited up, so I don't know if you could hear me through this like muffled stuff. I can't even hear myself too much because I got what do you call it? Earmuff things on. It's a big hill up there. Up that way, that's a big hill. I was gonna go that way, but it's sorry guys. Well look, something came through here. Look, it came right up to this tree and went off. Something was in here recently, like very recently. It cleared out around this tree. I mean, let's see. It came through this morning for sure. Like within the past hour. I'd say half hour. What was it? It's hard to tell. It was by itself, it looks like. Whatever it was. It's really hard to tell at this point. I'd say it was something small though. Fox. Deer. I mean, I don't know why one deer would be in here, but let's actually follow that. Let's see where it leads. It's basically what I'm just doing is just following this right now. It's right. I pulled the mask down so you guys can hear me. Yeah, it's hard to say what size animal it was, but it doesn't look like a rabbit because the rabbit would be jumping in snow like this and making like more of like a what would almost look like a footprint because it'd be landing pretty much all together. So I'd say this is something with a higher step, like a fox. Oh, it gets deep over here, real thick. Wow, okay. Whoa. Might have been a car through the woods. Yeah, it's definitely a car. You could see it through. I don't know why one's on the road, but it gets real deep over here. Look, wherever this thing went, well, it came around this way. This is just a little patch in here. It kind of looked, looked a lot thicker than it was. Sorry, I gotta keep cleaning the screen. Alright, we'll let the trail go cold. We'll leave it alone, whatever it is. Looks like some connection pieces on the ground in here. These are all bent down. Maybe they're not reaching the ground yet, but it looks like they're trying. It could be natural. It's hard to say. Can't whistle for shit. Whoop! Whoop! Yo! Good morning! Oh, the ongoing joke with my son Colton is when we go to sleep, we'd say goodnight to them. But then we started saying good morning to them because when we went to bed, they were getting up. See, this could be easily mistaken right here. Somebody might think these are footprints, but really it's just dumb luck that the snow will fall off in bunches. But you could tell because it's not deep at all. And then around it you could see the same depth where the smaller patches of snow have dropped off the tops of the trees. I try not to even look on these like Facebook Bigfoot pages anymore. There's so many of them, first of all, and second of all, just anything and everything goes up there. Like this tree snap, like you'll see pictures of this up there. Like it's the best Bigfoot evidence in 25 years. I love the way the trees look in the snow. NMB's been out there in the snow quite a bit, man. Respect. You know, we jokingly say all the time. Not even jokingly. I mean, people always say, oh, the activity drops off in the winter. They're less active. And it's like, no, not really. I mean, people are less active. There's less people going out. There's less researchers going out. There's less whatever, however you want to put it, but there's just less people in the woods, period. So there's less reports. There's a lot of it's a cop-out too, I think. I'm just saying against anybody in particular. I'm just saying I think it's just a cop-out to not have to go out in the shit weather. I tell you. I know at least at Bubba's they respect him and his respect the shit out of it when I go out in this weather. I get more activity in the snow than a little bit. Today, this morning, it's very quiet. But I haven't been filming. But I've been stepping out on the other side and enjoying some quiet time. Just getting back to the roots, like simple gifting, and I don't know. For me, when things slow down, I go back to basics. You know what I'm saying? I just go back to basics. simple gifting communication, like. Alright, it's time to get out of here. My 15 minutes are up. Well, it's a hefty tree snap right there, actually. We haven't had snow yet this year, so I mean, it's not like I mean, it could be from years prior, but we haven't had any like heavy snow that would. See, that's a definite trail right here. It goes this way. It's so cleared out, it's crazy. This is very definitive. You just tell there's no trees for a minute. Like something came across here too. There's one trail here coming through, and then there's one trail there. These might be, these are pretty shallow. These might be squirrel. It's hard to say. These could be squirrel or rabbit, I don't know. It could be the same animal, just zigzagging. Whatever it is, it went straight in through here. It's small. Whatever it is, it's small. You see that? It went through there. Right under those little trees right there. It went under. So whatever it is, it's tiny. Here's a tree, there's a branch. It's a pretty big branch just laying in there sideways. Could have fell down though. This here ain't natural. There's a bunch of upside down sticks. That's a broke off tree, and then they're put upside down like 3 different ways, pointing to the ground. It's a tree snap. I'm looking for that double tree snap to see if the snacks fell off earlier. Look, something came through here too. Again, it's a small animal, I'd assume, but that was an interesting noise. Sounds like, you know what it is, I think? I think it's like a work truck. Sounds just carrying. I'm not even sure which way is out. That's pretty much what I'm trying to do at this point. I was trying to find that double snap so I could find my way out. Oh, here's a trail too. I didn't even know there was trails in here. But that's definitely a trail too. You see how open it is? Down this way too. It's just cleared out. You could tell when there's no trees for that long. It's a big snap right here. That don't look natural to me. That's a healthy tree broke like 2 feet up. I'm pretty sure it probably came further, but because there's a trail there, it was probably cut. I don't know. I don't know how to get out of here. I definitely ended up on the wrong side of things. I just hit a street. And this ain't where I started at. By no means. Wow, alright, the weather's a lot worse once you come out of the brush, I'll tell you that much. And that's kind of a good lesson, actually. Man, alright. Yep, it's definitely ain't right. Going back in. It's bad out here. My face is getting whipped up. Shit. There's a sump over there. Alright. Let's try the other direction. The sun still ain't showing. Guys, I'm gonna put this thing up and try to find my way out of here. As always, thank you. Stay warm out there.